Ever wondered about the variety of plants that grow naturally in your local area? Local flora, or native plants, are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, vital for maintaining biodiversity. Today, we dive into the amazing world of native plants, their benefits, and how to identify them. Your backyard might be home to some amazing native plants, each with its unique characteristics. Let's take a journey to discover the hidden treasures of local flora. The majestic oak, for instance, stands as a symbol of strength and endurance, its roots diving deep into the soil, providing a sturdy base for countless organisms. Then there's the delicate trillium, a three-petal wonder that blooms in the spring, offering a burst of color amidst the green. The elusive jack-in-the-pulpit, a woodland plant, unfurls its leafy hood to reveal a solitary jack, a unique feature among the flora. Not to forget the milkweed, the sole sustenance for the monarch butterfly caterpillars. Each plant in its own way contributes to the local ecosystem, forging a web of life that's both intricate and resilient. Did you know? The sunflower, a native plant, can grow up to 10 feet tall, and its seeds are a great source of food for birds. Recognizing these plants and their significance helps us appreciate the natural beauty around us. Native plants are not just about beauty. They offer numerous benefits. They're champions in conserving water, as they've adapted to thrive in their local environment's conditions. Moreover, they show a stellar resistance to pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. But perhaps most importantly, they play a vital role for local wildlife, providing habitat and food sources in a way that exotic plants often can't. So the next time you're out and about, take a moment to appreciate the native plants around you. Native plants are essential threads in the fabric of our ecosystem. Consider visiting your local botanical gardens or joining community science projects to deepen your knowledge. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe for more interesting content about our natural world.